Hello everyone again. I just wanted to let you know that I don't know, because I haven't really made this clear in the past, that all the chapters from, let's say, at least the last couple of books, all the chapters, the tutorials, the step-by-step photo guides, as well as being in the books, are also on my Patreon page as well. So if you'd rather do it, instead of having a book, if you'd rather do it from the screen, you can subscribe to Patreon and have total access to it that way. So the tutorials are laid out on the screen exactly the same way as they are in the book. So you've got like the completed painting at the top, and then starting with the first photograph, which would just be like sort of the background doing the sky, and then I just list it all step by step. Generally about a dozen photographs really, from the beginning all the way through, photograph with a couple of comments underneath each one just to explain what I'm doing. I know when I was learning, obviously videos are great, and you can't beat actually watching the artist do the actual work and seeing how they actually manipulate the brush and do the strokes and whatnot. But sometimes I also found working from photographs works very well as well, and that's what I've tried to do. Obviously I've got about 1,000 videos on YouTube. There's about 250 videos exclusive to the Patreon page as well. But I did start off, because I was doing just the tutorials in the books, the photograph ones, and I thought, well, why don't I put them on Patreon as well? So that's what I started doing. So if you had trouble getting hold of the books or whatever, for whatever reason, then the video tier on my Patreon page also has the photographic step-by-step photo tutorials on there as well. So I just wanted to let you know that, because I appreciate not a lot of people wouldn't even realise that they're on there, but there'll be a few more going on this week. So that's how I generally do it now. I sort of switch between videos and step-by-step photo guides as well. So you've got the sort of best of both worlds.